my name is Sara Sutherland and I'm one of the account managers here at CelinaTent's.
Are you filming?
Hi, my name is Sara Sutherland and I'm one of the account managers here at CelinaTent's. Today we're going to talk about our Master Series frame tent. It has the catenary curve, which helps a lot in the wind, which differentiates it from our classic frame tent. It still utilizes the West Coast style frame tent tubing and fittings. Our Master Series base plate also uses an extra stake for maximum support. The ratchet straps are also connected to it, which tensions down the tent top. A lot of customers will use this tent if they're putting it up in windy areas or if it's going to be up for an extended period of time. Thanks for watching.